First, open the electric power and open the punch press. Then, open the air pressure button here. Now the third is start to work. To put the board on machine, the position that we want to install the hooks. And no need to make the hole in advance, cause the power already can press into the board. Press the first switch one time and it will install one hook one time. See here. And the back side is also locked well. This is the 2 ports and the 4 hooks. This is the checking. Once it falls with the hooks, it will stop. This is the second nail this machine can work to on the hooks. Hot port will deliver the hooks to the checking by itself, and once here is full, the sensor will find that, and to stop the 2 ports working to save energies. And once you press the full switch, machine will deliver the hook to front and to install it on the board. The speed can be the 1 pieces 1 second, and even you faster, it can install faster. Okay, this is the buyer show. Only need to turn that board, and to put it on the position you need to shoot. This is the tension frame TS-J46, the triangle hook install machine. Okay, welcome to order. Contact us. Thank you.